guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Amelia, and today I'm going to be doing this very easy, simple summery makeup look. It is a green into yellow eyeshadow and a very light base where you won't sweat it off even in extreme heats like we've got in England right now. It is literally about 30 degrees outside today, so I've decided to do this little video for you so you know exactly what makeup to wear, or if you're feeling inspired or looking for inspiration for some summer looks, this is it. So stay tuned for the rest of the video and leave a thumbs up. Okay, so first off I'm just going to start with doing my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the shade Ebony. And now I'm just going to take my angled brush, which is the Morphe R44, and take my collection concealer in the shade 0, and I'm just going to put it on my eyelid and carve out my eyebrows. And now I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty sponge. Now I'm just going to take my James Charles palette, and first off I'm going to take the shade Flashback and just set my concealer with it, all my eyelids and all the way up to my brow bone. So first up I'm going to take the shade Social Blade, and I'm going to take on my Morphe blending brush, which is the M441, which is this fluffy brush. So I'm just going to dab that on and blend it out into my crease. Next up I'm just going to take my small blending brush, which is this, and it is the Morphe M506, and I'm going to take the shade Daddy and just put it in my very outer corner and blend it out into my crease. Hey guys, it's Editing Amelia. Basically, I know it looks like my concealer creasing in my crease. It is not. I've just got really weird folds on my eyes, and some days they're more prominent than others. So it's... And I'm just going to take that first blending brush and just blend it out seamlessly. And now I'm going to take a flat packer brush, which is the Morphe M224, and it is this flat brush. And I'm going to take the shade B on it and just put it in my inner corner. And I'm going to take that small blending brush and just blend it out around the edges. And I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and just clean up. And now I'm just going to do the rest of my face. First off I'm going to start with spraying my face with rose water, and I am actually just going to be using concealer, a bit of powder, a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of highlighter. I'll speed through that, but because it's a summery look I don't want my face to be too cakey, as it is very warm in England right now. It's probably, and it's up 20 degrees, so I don't want my face just to sweat off straight away. So I'm keeping it very light, quite powdery, just so it looks more natural and it's not heavy on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Social Blade again on my Morphe M152, which is just this tiny little brush, and I'm just going to put it on my lower lash line. So I'm just going to take my eyelash curler and then put on a few coats of Better Than Sex mascara, as it's a summery look. I don't want my eyes to be very weighed down, so I'm just going to put a few coats of mascara. So last but not least, it's very important to protect your lips in summer, so I'm just going to put Nivea SPF 15 lip balm on, just to protect my lips from the sun and getting burned. Okay, this is it guys, thanks so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, as that would really help me out a lot, and I will see you next time. Bye!